Kakong pentas im papli, kahaban wana du nongpo bansya tangan dawa surok ha additional secretariat, kadbaki padba kalaban constituency, kasurok kalawan hi hatingkong. Yakini kikintin, lakrenda UMLE ka 19 South Shillong constituency, uba Sanbor Shulai, ha ka arpo tarik unaitung arhajar arpusaw, kasngi babu maunong rim, na kabenta ki hinyo taliki scheme, kibakot hadu katan riuklur arlak, prapulai hajar, hinyo spa kandai pun riu tingka, kibalabay tingka da kadona, katanat PWD, Bad Urban Affair. Ha kani kajuk kasngi, uba Jitendra Dakhar, ubalong unong sengjong ka Blind Lead Trust, ulapan ko buram ya uba Sanbor Shulai, ubala yarap teng yaki.
Pagawa banyo surah. Nadu boy. Beli long kubi. Long dan. Boy. Ndre ka puwor ya pigi men para bai batoi. Jongi hanai tahun 19 South Shillong Constituency. Ndar gamba pilih som hongkar strike. Harus surah nadu boy. Syadu harus surah ko pilih dia. Tawa surah. Ubah sungguh. Ya bikin usul suram jangan 19 South Shillong. Hati tiada jong one eye suram. Hati tiada jong one eye suram. Ndon kembali cong hawat tray. Tia aram lagi tia. Kane ka suram kalawan asmat jopi menta. Kane ka ba ansai kopi ini. Iwe ini ski kalai sabsa. Suapan sok. Ngasorupan ayu kasi sinublay. Yang ibalang ibaper. My brother and sister, in my constituency, all faith and religion, be it Christian, Sikh, Hindu, Muslim, indigenous Sangasi, or other religion, we are having, our Muslim brother and sister, they are having a masjid, in my constituency. Adjacent to the place where I was born and brought up. Come to our Hindu brother and sister, we have got mandir, puja mandap. Come to our Christian brother and sister, be it Catholic, we are having a church house. Presbyterian, we have a church house. Grace Covenant Church, we have a church house. Full Gospel Fellowship, we have all Christian committees, they are having their own church house. Come to our Buddhist faith. They are also having a Buddhist temple in my constituency there in Lupari. Except the indigenous faith, the Sangasi Riraj Naban, we don't have a place of worship. We don't have a prayer house. So with the blessing of Almighty, I would like to express my sincere thanks from the bottom of my heart to one of our correspondents, Mr. Prakash Sharma, who is the BJP youth wing of Delhi. Mr. Bipin Pradhan, he went all the way to attend the party meeting in Guwahati, could not come, who is the local correspondent of the BJP in New Delhi. Balambok Khongwir, he is a headman of Lightning Court, but he is the vice president of the BJY and BJP. He is also one of the backbone, local correspondent of the BJP in Delhi, and also Mike Lasso, the local correspondent of my office. These are the main people who used to trace to follow the scheme, be it in any department. And also Barniki Shulai, who played a very important role. He went to, he's not free to attend today because he having some urgent work. These are the people who used to do the fraud be it in various departments. Until Delhi, I have to go with my local correspondent.
Jingwan jungi ban I kenika appreciation atau namta jungi sa jungi tadi Trishtom namta jungi kirip kiria ba Trishtom namta jung paro ipajba kijingdon kam mai manakapor sa kapor ni julap kung organization in juklet ban facility ban ai borom ye kibru borom jingdonat khot metro konstitusi jung ine dan haki weki konstitusi ru ganda nyaw ya kata Bat kesultanan ro ini hakapor bangi ban kerpat ini ban por bangi ya ketuka ATM talking software project por bangi conduct ya ke survey makanya jung isu me ro ila ai kumbasan pio haja nanta jung kata project jung ni kalau kai ke pensultanan yang ni kunki beri badon jing benar format isko bakane kam jujia haki konstitusi like not tang hai Dina takadaw baka penkring yang kalau kapan ketik ya ke download jungi wak ada ngidai kiberi keberan jeng dunar kormet nilai kat kebangila let's say gelak pendong bakam padlong profesional yang kembalang mutai andre hangi ngisi bakalong keburom kabakharau kebangi ngin pendam ke jeng duai nang ne syakmat ba iba nang yai klaim ba nang yai Trishtom ba bandeng Wanra susu ikiwe ro kimat hamtam ke government le ikiwe no baki ong kata inclusive society lese tambalong katung bujing lap jengi balong ba tangi ba sonbol kumoi MLA jong ni ka 19 South Shillong balong sisa ita ibri bapa induk adong sidong kumbat suong no lada dai haki mo kum hada dai kum haki ki MLA kibangi ni Julai Kim Jutre watang ban dia kendo Kim Jutre ban sengap watang ya ki problem jongi no so kalau ka kubor ka babaha kalau ka kubor ka bangi ni kwa ban wan ai men sim susu ye kum ka organization nanta bat ni kwa ro ba in pha kan ka kubor ba le se lomba kan nuksa jongi kuwero ila ban facility kum balong lem kum batre system MLA jong ka 19 South Shillong ngamdan kentin hi ban keren tang kajing snongo kajing snow buram wat lada omdei yelade ro ondrei asu ba jin ba ilada season ba ilada ay kata ka kajing ay snubha khamtam ka ba ai na katulop lade kede kata ba kon ketik sisa yangi mujudon kum kata ka bangi asno wat ngwan kerpat ro sekiwai ki MLA Kim Judon ki basnap lem dia kajing kajungi Dena tak ada ba ngiru minang ban nyau dan ban theo kalong ba kino ke balik bahaya ni sungu sisa naduk mesin datang kita hi nagalian junga populasi pun di bar ki South ini 19 South constituency barkhoi wa panai kuble lam ye piru ki pajba ki badai nagalika constituency wa pinang banjit MLA wadon sisa ka jingkit klik kumba hakiwe ki thai le se la pano tang kita hi kuble sibon ki bar boleh sibon barkan
Thank you.